Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch Four Spotted Skimmer in Heartopia. This is a dragonfly that has a super unique shape and color like this. And I think if you are a collector, you must have this one. And so where you can find it, this dragonfly can be found around the suburban lakeshore. This one, specifically at this area, at this area, this one or this one or this area. So just go to the suburban lake shore, and you can catch it at rainy and rainbow weather, and for the time it appears all day. So just go to the suburban lake shore at the rainy or rainbow, and to increase your drop rate, I highly recommend using an insect attractor because it will boost insect spawns and make it easier for you to find the butterfly faster. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.